Have you ever wanted to use your Apple Cash card for shopping on Amazon? Well, you're in the luck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to seamlessly use your Apple Cash indirectly by leveraging your Apple card. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Access your Apple Cash card. First, grab your iPhone and open the Apple Wallet app. Tap on your Apple Cash card in the top corner. Click on the three dots to reveal your card details. You'll need to authenticate your Face ID or Touch ID. Here, you can find the essential information like your card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 2. Add your Apple card to Amazon. Now let's head over to Amazon. Open the Amazon app or website and sign into your account. Click on your profile picture at the bottom, then select your account. Scroll down and find Manage Payment options. Click on Add a new payment method. Select Add a credit card or debit card. Enter the detail from your Apple Cash card that you noted earlier. Finally, click Add and continue. Your Apple card is now linked to your Amazon account. Step 3. Make purchases. Whenever you're ready to shop, simply select your Apple card at checkout on Amazon. This allows you to use your Apple Cash balance indirectly since it funds your Apple card. Step 4. Pay your Apple card bill with Apple Cash. To ensure that you can pay off your purchases with your Apple Cash, open the wallet app again. Tap on the Apple Cash card, select the Pay button, choose how much you want to pay, and confirm the transaction using Face ID or Touch ID. And there you have it. You can now enjoy shopping on Amazon using your Apple Cash through your Apple card. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy shopping!